Construction at the University of Missouri has long included sustainable practices. Campus facilities planning, design, and construction built its reputation during the 20-year building boom across campus. PD&C added 28% of the campus's educational and general space, and we're proud of the sustainable practices we've adopted along the way. We've worked hard to fine-tune MU's Campus Master Plan, an evolving document that not only includes future building sites, but also many planned green spaces and a recreation trail, making Mizzou a beautiful and healthy environment for learning and research. Mizzou's renovated spaces and new construction incorporate sustainability principles to the fullest extent possible, while being mindful of budget constraints. Today's video segment focuses on mid-campus housing, the most recent completed project that incorporates many sustainable features. As part of Residential Life's master plan, Baker Park and Gardner Hyde halls were raised to make room for the mid-campus project. Behind the scenes, planning, design, and construction and Residential Life worked together to salvage doors, lighting, air conditioning units, furniture, and anything else in these halls that could be reused on campus or sold by surplus property. Demolition contractors recycled other materials such as glass and steel. From a project's inception, PD&C works closely with design consultants and campus clients to determine expectations and needs. Sustainable standards built into mid-campus housing include natural lighting, low volatile organic compound interiors, and energy-efficient water, electrical, heating, and cooling systems.
The student room furniture, we used to do solid wood, thinking that that was the way to go for quality product that would give us long life cycle. And we've reevaluated and done a lot of research, and the product that we have now is actually a laminate product. All the parts and pieces are put together with cam lock systems, so that if a part or a piece of a desk, a dresser, or whatever is damaged, we can just take it apart and replace that piece. So not only is that environmentally friendly, but it's fiscally friendly for us.
Each floor has designated recycle bins with different slots for aluminum and glass and paper and gloss paper. So every student on their floor has access to being, more sustainable and more recyclable.
Great strides have been made in implementing proven energy conservation technologies at MU. Mizzou's cogeneration power plant provides highly reliable electricity, heating, and cooling at nearly twice the efficiency of a conventional power plant. And during Mizzou's 20-year building boom, campus facilities energy management has reduced energy usage by 12% per square foot, saving $4.3 million annually. In mid-campus housing, planning, design, and construction worked closely with energy management to choose the latest technology in on-demand hot water systems, air handlers, and other building systems. The on-demand hot water system heats water as it is needed instead of storing hot water for use. Money spent on the system is quickly recovered because utility costs are lower. There's a certain minimum amount of fresh air that you have to bring into new construction or buildings, and those air changes have to occur so many times per hour to keep the air from being stale.
We push in 100% conditioned, filtered outside air into your room so that you've got a constant air exchange. And the reason we do that is it cuts down on, doesn't cut down, eliminates pretty much mold, mildew, the Bigfoot smell that you normally get in some hotels and motels and what have you. And also, if your roommate would have a cold, that air exchange is so fast that the odds of you getting that cold or that virus from your roommate is dramatically reduced.
The building systems in terms of the heating, the cooling, the temperatures, the water flow, all of that is remotely monitored and can be set up or back remotely so that when students leave for break or a holiday, they can set temperatures back or up to save energy during that period and then set to automatically come back up when the students are arriving. The toilet and shower divider partitions are a solid polymer type material which contains between 25 and 70% post-consumer materials. If you'll look at the lounges, the main lounges at each of our new facilities here, you'll see that it's a lot of glazing facing out onto the courtyard. That allows natural light in, but additionally, that is highly efficient glazing. It's double pane with specific coatings on different sides of the glass that in the winter will actually allow heat to come into the space, but in the summer when you've got a lower sun will actually reflect the heat and keep the space cooler. Recycling is second nature at Mizzou, but we continue to look for new ways to decrease our solid waste. There is a special emphasis being placed on the reduction of demolition debris and other materials being transported to sanitary landfills by private construction contractors. These contractors have long understood the financial advantages of recycling. Now they're also embracing the social responsibility.